First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about CSS Selector. Open Notepad++ editor in the body tag, selector, div element use, CSS Selector, and close div tag. Now we apply CSS on this selector and use CSS in head section, style tag, and close style tag, and use div, open curly braces and close curly braces. A CSS selector select the HTML elements we want to style. So we use CSS in curly braces, and first of all we create color for text. Use color. Color is a property of the CSS, and colon, after colon use property value color blue, semicolon, and save the file and go to the browser, refresh the browser. As you can see, we apply CSS selector text color in blue. Now we use text align center, text align colon, and property value use center, semicolon, and save the file, go to the browser, refresh the page. Now we use hashtag before div. To select an element with a specific ID, write a hashtag character followed by the ID of the element. So we use hashtag and save the file. Go to the browser, refresh the page. As you can see, we use hashtag, so CSS not applied on CSS selector. And now we use ID. The ID of an element is unique within a page, so that ID selector is used to select one unique element. So we use ID attribute. ID is attribute equal double quotes, and now we use div in this double quotes. The ID selector uses the ID attribute of an HTML element to select a specific element. Save the file and go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we use CSS class selector. So remove hashtag and use character dot represent to class attribute. To select element with the specific class, write a period character followed by the class name. So we use instead ID, we use class attribute, class represent to dot character period. So use class attribute and div write as it is. The class selector select HTML element with a specific class attribute, and we save and refresh the browser and selector all the HTML element with the same style definition. Look at the following CSS code. We use h1 after div, use comma and paste, and again copy comma use and paste, and P selector copy, and after comma paste, and delete these selector, and only use one CSS for all selector. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. As you can use CSS universal selector, the universal selector select all HTML element on the page. The CSS value will affect every HTML element on the page. So we use instead div comma h1 comma h2 comma p. Remove and only use static. Press shift and 8 for static, and save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page.